Very good morning. So, I hope you enjoyed Dasra vacation. Now, after Dasra vacation, this is the first class. So, dealing with the polynomial chapter. In the last class, we discussed the representation of linear polynomial graphically. Now, in this class, let us draw the graph of quadratic polynomial. Let us represent quadratic polynomial by graph. So, how to represent a quadratic? What is quadratic polynomial? The polynomial of second degree is called quadratic polynomial. The polynomial of second degree is called quadratic polynomial. The general form of quadratic polynomial is, you know that, ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic polynomial. In the last class, we represented linear polynomial by graph. How to represent linear by graph. Now, in this class, in fact, we will see quadratic polynomial. The general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. In fact, for any quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c, a is not equal to 0. The graph of the corresponding equation y is equal. The corresponding equation y is equal ax square plus bx plus c. In the case of linear, y is equal ax plus b. In case of quadratic, y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Like this, we draw the graph. So, in fact, for any quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, the graph of the corresponding equation y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, it opens upwards. When you draw this, when it opens upwards and it opens downwards. Thanks. Downwards. In fact, in general, for any quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c is not equal to 0. The graph of the corresponding equation y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c corresponds either it opens upwards like this. It opens upwards and opens downwards. It depends on a is greater than 0 or a is less than 0. Then a is the coefficient of second degree. A is the coefficient of x square. If it is greater than 0 means all positive values. All positive values are greater than 0. A is less than 0, it is all negative values less than 0. The coefficient is negative, the curve will come downwards. It depends on this. The curve is when the corresponding equation y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, you draw the graph. So we will get these curves. It may opens upwards, it may opens downwards. How can you know that? It depends on the a value. Where a is the coefficient of x square. If the coefficient of x square is greater than 0, one curve will get. If it is less than 0, one curve will get like this. So if it is greater than 0, if it is positive, the curve will be, it opens upwards. When it is less than 0, when it is negative, it opens downwards. The shape of these curves, when it opens upward, when it opens downward, these shapes are called parabolas. What do you call? Parabolas. The shape of these curves are called parabolas. So let us represent the graph in a quadratic polynomial. So here, draw the graph of quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. This we have to draw. How to draw this? Draw and find the zeros. Find its zeros. Find its zeros. Draw the graph of P of x equal 6. Hence, find zeros. Find zeros of x. So, x square minus x minus 6. This is. So, what you have to do? Let given polynomial say y. Y is equal P of x. Y equal to P of x is x square minus x minus 6. So, that is what? Y is equal to x square minus x minus 6. X square minus x minus 6 means P of x. P of x means this. So, given quadratic polynomial is equal to y is equal corresponding to the equation is corresponding to x square minus x minus 6 is what? Y is equal. The given polynomial say equal to y. Y is equal P of x. P of x means this. So, y is equal x square minus x minus 6. You know already I told you to take 3 positive values and 3 negative values like this. You take the table. Okay, this is x, this is y, this is P of x power x values. This is what? xy. You take 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3 positive values, 3 negative values, take x values. Substitute these values, you know that x is equal to 0, substitute here. You know how to substitute this? Y is equal to 0. Listen carefully. So, given y is equal to what? X square minus x minus y. X is equal to what first? X is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 in this. 0 square 0. How much was? Minus 6. When x is equal to 0, the y value is what? Minus 6. X is equal to what? Put x is equal to 1. Y is equal 1 square 1 minus 6. 1 square 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 6. So, x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, y value how much? Minus 6. X is equal to 0 minus 6. Y is equal to x is equal to 1 also. We got minus 6 only. Now, x is equal to put x is equal to y is equal 2 square minus 2 square 4 minus 2 minus 6 4 minus 2 2 that equal to what? Minus 2 minus 4. Similarly, x is equal put x is equal to 3. So y is equal to what? X square 3 square minus 3 minus 6 3 square 9 9 minus 3 minus 6 9 minus 9 0. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0 and 1 like this. Similarly, x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1 square minus 1 minus 6. Minus square means plus 1 minus 2 minus plus 1 minus 6 minus 4 minus. Put x is equal to minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2. Substitute x is equal to minus 2 in this. Y is equal minus 2 square minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 square 4 minus 2 minus plus. So 0. 0. X is equal to minus 3. Put x is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3 square minus 3 minus 6. 9 minus 2 minus plus 9 plus 3 12 12 minus 6 6. So x minus 3 y 6 x minus 2 y 0 x minus 1 y minus 4 x 0 y minus 6 x 1 y minus 6 x 2 y minus 4 x 3 y 3. This all you plot on the graph sheet. On the graph sheet now. This I hope you understood this. So given polynomial say y is equal x square minus x minus 6. X is the independent values, y dependent value. You take x values, 3 positive values, 3 negative values, or 4 positive values, 4 negative values, take it and substitute, you will get y values. These all x, y you plot on the graph sheet and join them, you will get the curves. The curve may be opens upward or downward. So let us see. Now, scale you take, scale on x-axis, x-axis means values are x-axis 1, 2, 3, 1 difference is there, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter, what is the highest value here? Y value, highest value is 6. You take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now, I draw the graph now. I erase this. This is the coordinate system. The horizontal line is called x-axis. This is x-axis. The vertical line is called y-axis. You know this. This is x dash. This is y dash. This is 0 over here. Make divisions 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negative values are there. So 6 are they equal? 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Y also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6. Here negative value 6 will take it, minus 6. Here also positive value take 6, 1, no problem. Okay. How much are required, that much only you can take. Extra also you can take, no problem. Now you plot, you list out this all, you plot all this on the graph sheet. First 0, x 0, y how much? Minus 6. 0 minus 6, x 0. Corresponding to 0 minus 6. Corresponding to 0 minus 6 is here. This is 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6. 1 minus 6 corresponding to 1. Corresponding to 1. This is 0 minus 6. Corresponding to 1. This is okay. First one what? Corresponding to 0 minus 6. Corresponding to 0 minus 6. This is corresponding to 1. Corresponding to x is equal to 1 minus 6. Yeah. Corresponding to 2 minus 4. Corresponding to 2 minus 4. Corresponding to 2 minus 4. Corresponding to 3, 0. Corresponding to 3, 0. This is. Next, corresponding to minus 1, minus 4. Corresponding to minus 1, minus 4. Corresponding to minus 2, 0. Minus 2. Corresponding to minus 3, 6. Corresponding to minus 2. Corresponding to minus 3, 6. Positive value. Like this. You join this. Corresponding to 1, corresponding to 0, minus 6, corresponding to 1, minus 6 corresponding to 2, minus 4 corresponding to 3, 0 corresponding to minus 1, minus 4, like this, corresponding to minus 2, 0, join, corresponding to minus 2, 0, corresponding to minus 3, 6, corresponding to minus 3, 6, like this, join, you can extend like this. So the curve, this curve intersects here 3, 0, here minus 2, 0. The curve intersects x-axis at 2 points, that is 3, 0 and minus 2, 0, whose x-coordinates are zeros. Whose x-coordinates are zeros. The curve intersects the x-axis. The curve intersects the x-axis at 2 distinct points, at minus 2, 0, at 3, 0. Whose x-coordinates? What are the x-coordinates of them? Minus 2, 3. That is minus 2, the zero will just do the graph and hence find the zeros. How to find the zeros? You see where the curve intersects the x-axis. The curve intersecting x-axis at 2 distinct points, at minus 2, 0, and 3, 0. Whose x-coordinates are 0? The zeros of it are minus 2 and 3. Next, you can do same process. I give one more problem. I hope you understood this graph. The most important graph this is also called parabola. It extends upwards. Clearly you know that here the x square constant is 1. 1 is plus 1. That is a is greater than 0. When a is greater than 0, it opens upward direction. If any negative value is there quotient, that then naturally opens downwards. So now you do one more problem. Let us do one more problem. Second, draw the graph of you can copy this, I will do one more problem. Draw the graph of P of x is equal x square minus x minus 12. This same order. So draw the graph of ax, y is equal to ax square plus b corresponding to equation y is equal x square minus x minus 12. You take the table. You take x values, positive values and negative values, equal number of positive values and negative values, take it. You substitute in that. This is x, this is y, this is x, y. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 positive values, 4 negative values. Substitute. Directly I do. In the first problem, clearly I showed how to substitute the values. X value substitute in this, we will get y values. X is equal to 0, 0, 0, minus 12. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Y is equal to what? X square minus x minus 12. 0 square, 0 minus 12. 0, 0, minus 12 equal to minus 12 what? X is equal to 0, y minus 12. Put x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 square minus 1 minus 12. 1 minus 1 minus 12 equal to minus 12. Put x is equal to y is equal to 2 square minus 2 minus 12. 2 square 4. 4 minus 2 minus 12, 4 minus 2, 2 minus 12, minus 10, minus 10. Put x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 square minus 3 minus 12, 3 square 9, minus 3 12, 9 minus 3 6, minus 12, minus 6. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 square minus 4 minus 12, 4 square 16, 4 minus 12, 16 minus 4 12, 12 minus 12 3. Like this you can calculate, put the values. Now negative values. X is equal to put x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1 square minus 1 minus 12. 1 minus 2 minus plus minus 10. Put x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2 square minus 2 minus 1, 4 plus minus 6. X is equal to minus 3. Put x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3 square minus of minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 square 9 minus 2 minus plus 12 equal to 0. Like this, put x is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 means minus 4 16 minus of minus 4 minus 2 minus plus is 12. 16 plus 4 20, 20 minus 12 8. Like this we will get the values. I hope you understand the substitution is. X value substituted, you will get the y values. After that, you will write down 0, 0 minus x. When x is equal to 0, y minus 12. When x is equal to 1, y minus 12. When x is equal to 2, y minus 10. When x is equal to 3, y minus 6. When x is equal to 4, y is 0. When x is minus 1, y minus 10. X is minus 2, y minus 6. When x is minus 3, y is 0. When x is minus 4, y is 8. This calculation should be done in the graph paper, right side of the graph sheet. In the rule paper, you do this calculation part. And now you take the graph sheet and plot the graph sheet. Please, before plotting all this, you take the scale. Take the scale. How to take the scale? So already in the first problem explained taking the scale. So it depends on the values of x and y axis. So x values are the 4 values, y values are y highest value, positive value 8, negative value minus 12. Scale. If you don't take scale, you will lose the marks. You take the scale on x axis. On x axis is 1 centimeter equal to 1 millimeter. Because easily you can plan. Only difference, x values are only 1 difference, 4 positive values, 4 negative values. X is equal to 1 unit, 1 centimeter 1 unit. On y axis, so 1 centimeter equal to, can you plot all this together, the highest value is 12. You take 12, 1 centimeter 1 unit. Because 1 centimeter equal to 2 units it is. 1 centimeter equal to 2 units, 2 difference. Now, this is y axis. This is x axis. This is y. The x and y axis intersect at O. X, y, x dash, y dash. You take positive values 1, 2, 3, 4. Next negative values how many are there? Same 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4. 1 unit, 1 difference is there. On y axis, 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. 2 difference you take. If you take this, give 2, this is what? 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12. Now, plot all this. X0. When x is equal to 0, y is minus 12. X0, y minus 12. This is x0, y minus 12. X1, y minus 12. X1, yeah, y minus 12. X2, y minus 10. X2, y minus 10 here. Corresponding to 2, y minus 10. This will try. X3, y minus 6. X3 corresponding to 3 value, minus 6. X3, y minus 6. X4, y 0. This is. Now, x is 0 over x minus 1, y minus 10. X minus 1, x minus 1, y minus 10. X minus 2, y minus 6. Minus 6. X plus 3, 0. X minus 4, 8. X minus 4. X minus 4, y 8. 8 positive value. X minus 4. X minus 3, 0.
Start.
X minus 3 minus 6, 4, 0. 4, 0. This is. Extend indefinitely. So, this is the graph of y is equal to x square minus x minus 12. Now, what you have to do, this curve intersects this curve intersects x axis at 2 points, minus 3, 0. This is minus 3, 0. Intersects x axis. This is minus 3, 0. Minus 3, 0. 4, 0. Whose x coordinates are its zeros? Whose x coordinates are minus 3 and therefore zeros of P of x are minus 3 and like this you can find the zeros. But drawing the graph where the curve intersects the x-axis, not y-axis. Where the curve intersects x-axis, generally the curve intersects at 2 points. The curve intersects the x-axis at 2 points. Where it intersects x-axis only, whose x coordinates are zeros. In this problem, y is equal to x square minus x minus 12 curve intersects x-axis at minus 3, 0 and 4, 0. Whose x coordinates are minus 3 and 4. They are the zeros. So I hope you understood. So, in the exercise textbook, there are so many problems. You can do it. You can draw the graph. I'll give you one problem. I'll give you. You draw the graph of this. You do it. This assignment. Draw the graph. Draw the graph of x square plus 3x minus 10. It's only one problem. You do it. Thank you.